Hey guys, it is Heath. It is the Groovy Gold Hunter, and this is still my garage, and we are going to do a pay dirt review. I'm going to do something a little bit different this time though, and I will explain. I've actually done it before. We're going to do it again, but I'll explain what I'm talking about. Let's just go ahead and get that intro real quick, and we'll start talking about what I'm going to do this time.
What the hell did you just say?
This is going to be a mystery pay dirt. That's all I can really do. I'm trying to think of different ways to do pay dirt reviews. It's still going to be a pay dirt review. I'm just not going to tell you who it is. What I can tell you is I've done it before. I'm not going to show you the bag because that'll give it away, obviously. I'm not going to show you anything except the dirt. Once I get it in a bowl, I'll classify it like I always do. You're going to have to figure that out. And you probably will figure it out pretty quick, but some of you might not have a clue. First of all, I'll just tell you what it is. It's a bag of pay dirt that is guaranteed 3 grams of gold, and it's about a 3 to 5 pound bag, and that's all I can tell you. So I'm going to put it in a bowl. We'll start classifying it. We'll start panning it. It's kind of weird doing it this way because I feel like I need to tell you everything about it. That would defeat the whole purpose. There it is in my bowl. A lot of big rocks. Don't see a whole lot of small stuff, but we'll go ahead and classify it. We'll start with the 4 mesh and we'll work our way down. There is the 4 mesh, and I will fast forward the rest of this. Shouldn't take me that long to even do that, and I'll get back with you as soon as this is done. And just like that, we are done with the classification. Let's take a look at it. Here they are. I've only got 5 classifications, and I have 1/4 inch and or 4 mesh material. I'll explain. 5 classifications starting with the 4 mesh. Then you have everything 10 mesh, 20 mesh, 40 mesh, and all of that is minus 40. There is hardly any in there. I was going to do what I always do, which is 60 mesh and then minus 60. There's just not enough to do minus 60, so I just left it at that. And that's what we're going to start with right there. I'm really doubtful that we're going to find any in that 1/4 inch. I'm not sure. We're going to start with this, and we'll just go all the way up. We don't have any, we don't have any. Not much I can do about that. Let's go to overhead. And we are at overhead. There is everything minus 40. I'm just going to dump it all in. That's how much or how little amount that I have as far as the small stuff. All right, it is stratified, and it is time to pan. So that is tailings from a pay dirt that I had already repanned to make sure I didn't miss any gold. I'm not going to dump that water. It's really clean water still, so I'm just going to use it. So let's start panning. This stuff is very easy to pan off. Even the black sands are really easy to pan off. Let's tap it back. And I got a piece of gold or 2 in here. Alright, so we're definitely going to have to do a phone shot of this because it is super tiny. But I believe we've got maybe 4 or 5 pieces. Let's take a looky here and see what we got. Zoom in. That's a weird piece of gold. And I lost it. There it is. Look at that. Like a horseshoe. Kind of cool. So yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like 5 pieces of gold. We'll suck those up and move on to the plus 40 minus 20. Plus 40. We'll do this one in 2. There's a pretty good amount of that in there. But yeah, all of the other material, there's a lot of 4 mesh and a lot of 10 mesh and not much small stuff.
Does that remind you of any pay dirt companies that you know of?
Alright, let's start panning this stuff. I still want to be very careful with this because it's lighter material and it's a lot harder to see the gold. So I do not want to dump any gold out, but this stuff pans off like nothing. Alright, quick tap and 1 piece. And that is not worth taking a photo from my phone. I will just give you that shot right there and say, let's move on to the next batch, the last batch. And here it is, the last batch of the 40 mesh, and here we go. And that is good enough. Quick tap, and again, not much. 3 pieces. There it is. And we're done with the 40 mesh. I'll take a quick shot of that and then we'll move on to the 20 mesh. Here is the 20 mesh. That looks like about 3. I might do it in 2. We'll do that in 2. It's really easy stuff to pan. And I think that is good enough. Quick tap, and lots of gold in this one. We've got several pieces in here. 2, 4, 6, 10 pieces. Cool. I'll take a shot of that and we will finish off that 20 mesh. Okie dokie, there is that last bit of 20 mesh. I've already stratified, so let's start panning. Good enough. Quick tap. Did you all notice that last batch? I didn't say anything in the comments when I gave you a quick shot of it, but this is different gold. A lot of it is more yellow. Some of it looks almost silvery yellow. Looks like a bunch of different gold put into one pay dirt. I'm going to get a close-up of that as well and look at it. But yeah, there's a lot of different varieties of colors and pieces. So let's take a look at it with the phone cam. I'm going to zoom in. So yeah, look at that. Super yellow gold. And then you got this very light, almost silverish gold. Definitely 2 different types of gold in this. Interesting. What did I get? 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, about 25 pieces. That's a lot. Let's move on to the 10 mesh. All right, guys, so I'm just going to take a chance here. This is not 10 mesh. This is my 4 mesh and up. I just don't think there's going to be any gold in this. So I'm going to pan this first. And then we will finish with the 10 mesh so we can finish with gold. At least that's the plan. I mean, these are just big rocks. Yeah, first batch, no gold and no quartz. That's kind of shocking. I was hoping to at least find some quartz. There's the second batch. No gold. All right. And my lights go out in the city. All right. Last batch. And I was right. No gold in that entire 4 mesh, which I expected. Okay, so we've only got 10 mesh left. Here it is right here. A lot of 10 mesh. We should get a lot of gold in that because I looked at my snuffer bottle. We probably have a gram, maybe a little less than a gram. So we should get some pretty good gold in that 10 mesh. So let's get to that right now. And here's the first batch, or first pan. I don't know why I keep saying batch. What? What? Uh-oh, nada. We have shot a blank in the very first pan. And here comes pan number 2. there it is. Tap it back, and what do we get? 4 pieces? Look at that piece. That is a shiny little piece of gold right there. That's pretty. Yeah, 4 pieces. Definitely take a look at that with my phone. That's a pretty piece. Again, different color pieces. Ooh, look at that. That's 10 times. And there's that piece. And then there's that piece. Totally different type of gold right there. And then there's that. Looks like it's got some quartz in it. But that piece, wow, that is a beautiful piece of gold right there. Here is pan number 3. We've only got 2 more, this one and 1 more. So let's start panning this. Jeez Louise, let's pull this back and see that big old fat piece of gold. Look at that. Man, that's a fat piece of gold. Look at the size of that. Oh, clunker. 3 pieces, but look at the one in the middle. And it's smooth. That is a smooth nugget. Definitely a phone shot of that. And there it is, regular, just 1 times. And let's go 10 times. I wonder if I can go 10 times. Yeah, look at that. There's the other 2. But look at that. Nice big chunk of gold right there. We are down to 1. That is all of it. I don't know if I'm going to get any more or not. Those last 2 pieces in those 2 pans were big pieces. Listening to the material, I think we got a piece of gold. Can you hear it? Rocks make a certain sound in your pan, but gold makes a totally different sound in your pan. No matter how many rocks are in there, you always hear that one, like, just deeper, more
that scratchy sound of gold.
And if I'm wrong, I'm an idiot. All right, let's pan it. Let's pan it back and see. And yeah, okay. Nowhere near as big as those other ones were, but we do have 2 more. Kind of an underwhelming ending, but that's okay. We got 2 pieces, better than none. Not gonna take a photo shot of that with the phone. Instead, we're gonna say we are done. And just like that, we're done. Too fast. Just too fast of a pay dirt review for me. I'm sure you guys are like, God, thank God it wasn't a 30-minute video. Might still be a 30-minute video, but you know the drill. I'm gonna dry it. We'll take it upstairs. We'll weigh it, weigh those 2 nuggets, see what we got there, and then we'll get a value and see what we got. And I will reveal the mystery pay dirt. Who could it be? I forgot who I bought. You may never know. And welcome to my Leia. It's funny because my wife just watched the Yukon Alley, the Gold Rush video that I did. And all that time and all of that effort I put into that video, the only thing that she can recognize is the shots of my dirty room, the shots of the dirty garage, the stuff that I showed that she was like, I can't believe you showed that. Look how dirty your room is. I can't believe you showed that. All right, let's look at this stuff. I'm going to show it to you over the phone. So there it is. And you can see the big nugget right there, but look at all the different types of gold that's in there. That is a hodgepodge of different types of gold. And then you see that big funky nugget right there. All right, we looked at it, now let's weigh it. Let's see how much we got. Need to zero that out. We are on grams, and here it comes. Oh, let's do this real quick. Let's weigh the nugget. There's 2 decent sized nuggets, but let's weigh this one first, because that's a big one. 1.267 grams, so that's a nice nugget right there. And then we'll weigh the next biggest one, which probably won't be even close. 0.5 gram. Let's just go ahead and dump it all in there. Again, this is supposed to be 3 grams guaranteed, and we will dump it in there, and we've got we have 3.000 grams of gold. That's a first. Are you kidding me? 3.00000 grams of gold. Whoever this pay dirt is does not like to give out extra gold, at least on this one. Let's get on the gold calculator and get a value of my 3 grams of gold. At least I won't have a hard time remembering that number. And welcome to my computer. So let's put in the weight. 3.0000000 grams of gold. We will call it 24 karat natural placer gold. Gold prices. This is May 11th, 2025. $3,283.19. We will calculate $316.67. So we will put that in. $316.67. I paid $300 for the bag plus $10.95 for shipping. So it was $310.95 out the door. And we know where this is going. Calculate 101.8%. That's a great return. There it is. There is the return. A great return. I just cannot get over the fact that I got 3.0s down the line grams ago. That's a first. I've never had a pay dirt that was that dead on and still got 100%. Obviously, it was a great price as far as ROI, so that was good. So who is this mystery pay dirt? I don't even know if I want to tell you. I think I might just end this video and say thank you for watching this video of that pay dirt review that I did, the 3 gram guaranteed bag. You guys leave me in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. I'll let you guys know, we'll say a couple days later. I'll make a quick fast video and give you the reveal. This is not a contest. You're not going to win anything. I'm not giving anything away. I'm just curious to see how many people know who this pay dirt is. So why not? Probably won't do good for views, but I don't care. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this pay dirt review of pay dirt. I appreciate it. It was a great bag, very easy to pan. I will say it is a pay dirt that I have done before. It is a very well-known pay dirt company, and you guys probably already know who it is. Let me know who you think it is, and I will tell you in a couple days, maybe the next day. I'm not going to leave y'all hanging that long, but yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this mystery pay dirt review. I hope you guys did enjoy it. And as always, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, share, and notification bell. All those buttons helps my channel. I really would appreciate it if you would do so. And I do appreciate you guys for watching my videos, subscribing, and all that good stuff. It does mean a lot, and I really do appreciate it. Peace and love, and I'll see you on my next review. Bye.